Ka regional committee jong ki arli ki Jylla kata ka Meghalaya bag Assam ki Sdang Biang jing kendu bani mer jing mot ne je kan Pynbeit pot ya ki south li ki Jakai badan ha khapot ka Ribhoi district bag Assam. Ya kade ke jing kan Pynbeit pot ha preng ki arli committee la pelong mata ka si ka arpo arli unai tung aja fulai ha Assam State Guest House koina dhara kana para. Nagaliang regional committee jong ke Jylla Meghalaya la kli da uba preston chen song sembut menteri rang bag Jylla bo bat rukum chairman ka Ribhoi regional committee bala sakhilang ro da jingdan ki laingot ki MLA ka Ribhoi bakan thop na du ba sosnes tun MLA ka Jirang ba Charles Marngar MLA ka Mahoti baru ba Daman ba Lamare MLA ka Umroi. La sakhi isu da ka jing mi khmat Nagaliang ka Khasels Autonomous District Council le KHADC da ka jingdan lang uba pnya sing CM jong ka ba bat ro kumudukhat jong regional committee arpit upadhaya deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi district bat kiwe officer. Karba Nagaliang regional committee jong Assam lakli da Atul Bora ba Chandra Mohan Patowari ki babaro angut kidei ki babat ya kasuki menteri sarkar jong Assam ringkat bagi sakhilang ki katu ka ningot ki officer na katege Jylla ba marchan.
Ye song ka meeting ha ka por khat we biji hang ne apo Guwahati ka state guest house pedeng jong ni Nagaliang regional committee jong ka Ribhoi ringkat pat regional committee kabalai lam de ki angut ki minister Nagaliang jong Assam we minister betul rom ba Atul Bora parwe pat master Patwari tinglai song meeting mentakas nging la ya discuss nging la ka presentation ya ki lightly ki sektor ka bedung ko gede ya desh damria ka baar ka de ka nongwa mau tamul bat ka balai ka de ka podwa tinglai discuss ka baki DC kila ai la ka jong ka presentation dia ka makadung le sim ngarai bangin ria penduk biang ha ka arsan trik jong no benai agos ha ka bangin syong biang hang ni por janmit pad hadin nang ka ha ka arpru trik pada men step jong benai agos ngin le ya ka site inspection ya ka ni ke area ka badai jong ka desh damria kata ketika bagi sim ngarai kong bad nang ta ngin sa persyang nang ne sakmat bad nang ya kenduk susu terter ha ka bangin pendet ya ka field inspection jongi ya ka bedang sa ya ka nongwa motomur bat kumjuru ya ka baduar nang ta sakawe ka bedang sa ka de ka blok 2 ka niru ka bedang sa ka bangin session namar ya ka blok 2 bade da chairman jong ka regional committee Nagaliang ka Assam udai duwe pat minister punya ong Pius Sasarika dengan saya kedua baru ka bangin ya penduk biang mana tahu lo manusia biang kumni don ka join regional committee kumni don mentakas ni ngam ong bong bia pun mom bia pun kan mau bah hakum kini ki isu kham tam ki bla slem ba de ki post nem de ki san post nem tam ban ong hi ban hun lut rum long ban num hun lut rum de ngi sim ya kai ka bah tam namar ko mo pi ngi hap su thu de ki sia la de ki sim ya karai ong pi ngin nam la ban ngim nam la ban resolve ya kan isu ka ba ko mo pi ka ban na ka we ka snap zero snap kadang mi kadang snap de na ka da ko mo nila ai instruction ru lamba ka discouncil ha ka ba UCM jo discouncil UEM milaka u balong deputy CM ba presnganu ke don lang ang ne ke wan lang telong nging ai instruction Nagaliang jong sulu bahkan pentip lepa ya kitu ki area kitu jaka lamba jong kia discouncil bakin pentip ya girang ma snong ya kisim dan ki sodar bakiru kin le laka jong ka bentar ke joki pengnoban ban penting kenapa anding lalej mangi ya kata ka inspection ka joint inspection ke bagi selek kenapa kan dia bagian ka kam
in the joint meeting of the Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya, it was resolved that regional committee will jointly visit to the border area and study the ground reality and suggest measures to resolve the issues. Accordingly, we have discussed on disputed three areas, and we had a very good meeting, and we have decided to sit on 25th of August again. And before that, both DCs will visit the concerned areas, and they will do homework After that, on 26, on 25th, we will sit again. And on 26th, we'll visit not all the areas because it would be difficult to cover all the areas. We'll visit this Dimuria site. And today, the DCs, Deputy Commissioners, they gave PowerPoint presentation. And Deputy Commissioners from our side, both the Deputy Commissioner, Metro and Rail were present, along with the Chairman of the Regional Committee, who is heading the Regional Committee of Boku side, Mr. Chandramohan Patwari, Honorable Minister. He was present. And Nandita Das, MLA, who is member of the Regional Committee, she were present. And from Meghalaya side, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, he is heading both the committees, both the regional committees, and some other members, MLAs and other members, officials.